Where's this at?
Well, it's KZZ 57.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Dekalb County in north central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in
tornado
northeastern
warning.
Illinois until midnight. At
Yeah.
11:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable
Kane
of
and
producing a
Dekalb.
tornado were located along a line extending from Waterman to near Solomon to Lake Holiday, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near.
Man, Kate's like
41 took a while.
11:30 p.m.
Jeez.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Alright, I'm gonna head upstairs.